Go, Natty. Go, Natty. You're a big girl now. What's the day? It's June. Oh, it's a big hill. You're almost to the top of the big hill. Keep pushing. Woo! It's June something, 2011. I guess it must be the 19th. You're almost to the top of the hill. And then you can go super fast all the way down. Almost there. You see where that tree is? That's the top of the hill. And then it's downhill all the way home. You can do it. You're almost there. Here comes Gwen and Hannah. Everybody's coming in the back. But Natalie's going the fastest. There she goes. Go, Natalie, go. Here comes Gwen. Woohoo! You made it to the top of the hill, Natalie. You did it. Great job, Nat. Now you get to go down, down, down the hill. And way over there is Hannah. She's trying to learn without her training wheels. That's her second time out. Dad's got a training bar on the back. I took the training wheels off and they're trying to start. It's easier to learn downhill. Hey, we gotta go catch Natalie. Here's my Nat. Hi, go Natalie!